Hello crafters, Gareth with Elf Creations and welcome to today's video. Many of you requested another form of holiday Christmas napkin ring. I created this one over on G's Creations during my Christmas in July series. So I've done that one, so I'll link that in so it pops out now, or it's at the end of the video, one of the two. I sell these wired holly leaves in my store. You get 12 for 85 pence, so it's rough, just under $1 for 12. So I'm going to use these curtain rings as I have done in the previous videos, and like I've said previously, they come with this metal eyelet hook. So I'm going to take that off. You could wrap this at this point with some holiday, some Christmas ribbon, but I quite like the white. So I'm going to take off either 2 or 3 of these, I haven't decided, and I'm going to wrap the wire around a pencil just to give it that kind of, oh, this one's having, no, I'm going to take that one off. The paper that wraps around this was actually coming off, so I'm not going to leave that one there, but I think I will wrap this one because this one's fine, and just to give them a little bit of interest. I've got my hot glue gun warming up, and I've got this pick from my stash, and I'm actually going to snip off some of these berries, and I thought these berries will be great as the holly berries. Now I know you get red holly berries, but you also get the white holly berries, so it's up to you which ones you chose. So I'm just going to snip off a few of those, and I'm going to hot glue the first leaf on. Please use a spatula so you don't hurt your hands, because obviously hot glue is hot for a reason. So I'm just going to maneuver the twisted wire out the way, and then a dab of hot glue to add the third leaf on, and again moving the wire out the way, and then I'm going to put some more hot glue in the center here and just drop in these berries. I think I'm going to do the 3, just a tad more bit of hot glue there. So the 3 berries and the 3 leaves. And I'm just going to do I want to hot glue those round, or do I want them? No, I'm going to leave them so they can be manipulated. But there is another idea for your festive table and a quick and easy napkin ring. Thank you very much for joining me today, crafters, and I will see you again very soon. Take care now. Bye bye.